Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a paper squishy. A few weeks ago now, Rihanna actually asked me to do a unicorn Starbucks frappe paper squishy, and they actually asked me to do it in a 3D one, I do believe, and I tried it but I couldn't get it to work, so I've brought just a regular one today. If you would like your request, then please do make sure to be subscribed, and then just comment down below what kind of paper squishy you'd like to see on my channel. If I pick yours, I will give you a shout out on the screen like I did for Rihanna today. So like I said, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made the unicorn Starbucks frappe paper squishy, and I hope you enjoy it. Also, before I get started, I have got some new nails. I did these over the weekend. I have filmed it, so that will be coming in a video tomorrow. So again, if you want to see how I did these UV fried egg nails, then just stick around for that coming tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight on into it. So as this is a paper squishy, you're obviously going to need some paper. I just use regular A4 printer paper for mine. You don't need anything special. I try to do the paper squishies just so that you'll have the type of materials at home to do them. So what you want to do is just draw out a blue or like greeny kind of coloured swirl, which will make the kind of sauce inside of the frappe. And then you want to make sure that the frappe kind of cup shape is in a nice purple shade, just to kind of imitate the real unicorn frappuccino. To make mine more like the Starbucks Frappuccino, I actually just drew out the little logo of the Starbucks cup that I was kind of trying to do. I didn't do a very good job at it just because I freehanded it really. I just kind of went along as it kind of went, and it just is what it is. But I mean, if you want to get a neater one, you can just print it out just from Google. You can cut it out from a Starbucks packaging you may just have kicking around, just anything to get this logo. If you don't want the logo, then you haven't got to put that on either. So I did mine on a separate piece of paper so that I was able to get the colours really nice and strong. Once I had it all cut out and just the right shape and size, I then just stuck that down with tape as I went down my whole piece of paper using clear tape. I then decided to add some black details onto that using a black Posca paint pen. I did the lines on the Starbucks cup to act as the little measuring guides, and then I just put a kawaii face down on the front as well. I then taped the front and the back together. I wasn't going to design the back, but I did the same design on the back as I did the front at this step, and then just taped over the whole of that back side as well. For the topped whipped cream bit, I just cut it out from the original piece of paper, and then with some ink on my fingers I just smudged it down to make that dusting on top of the whipped cream effect. I then added some highlight to the eyes, and then I stuffed my entire shape of the cup up with some toy stuffing and just offcuts of memory foam, which I had left over from a few projects I've been working on over the weekend, which should be up throughout the week. I have some really fun squishies coming actually. I'm really happy with all my designs, so hopefully you can stick around and see those as well. So yeah, once I had all of my paper squishy stuffed and fill up, I then taped it up shut just using some small bits of tape, just going in and around each bit of the curve of the cream. Once that was done, I just added a little bit of acrylic paint either side of the eyes to act as a blush, and it was then complete. So this is how the Starbucks frappe has turned out. Really love it. Love the colours on it. I think it looks so adorable. I did draw this Starbucks logo really quickly, so I mean it's not even at all. If you want it to be more even, then just obviously print it out. Just, I don't know, that might be easier. Even cut it out from a Starbucks bag that you may have kicking around. That might be a good option, but I just quickly drew mine today just because I don't have any coloured ink left in my printer and thought that it would just be easier if I just quickly sketched it out. So along the top here for the sprinkled dusty bit, I actually just took the pen ink and then just spread it out with my finger just to kind of give it a little bit more of a faded effect. I didn't do very well there, but I think it's worked out pretty well. I think the squishiness wise of this is really nice. I have used the combination of toy stuffing and then little scraps of memory foam because I have been making some memory foam squishies over the past couple of days, past week, while I haven't really been posting that much, just because they take absolute days to make. So be sure to stick around for those because I've made some really cute designs that I'm really excited to share. This is squishing really nicely. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed it. Like I said, if you have any requests for any paper squishies, then leave them down in the comments down below, and I will be sure to check them out, add them to my list if I think that they sound fun, think that they sound cute. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye!